Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rahat Academy. My name is Rahat and I am here with another nice and interesting video about Facebook. In this video I will show you how to enable followed by option in Facebook. Like when I go to my profile, here you can see followed by 124 people. Uh, let's learn how to enable this option. So let's go back to Facebook home and then click on the menu icon. After that, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, click on settings. Inside settings, scroll down and you will see public posts option. Click on that option and this is the place where you can enable the followed by option in Facebook. So I have enabled my followed by option, therefore who can follow me option as by default selected to public. If your followed by option is not enabled, this option should be selected. So now let's suppose this is your account and you want to enable the followed by option in your Facebook profile. So you just select the public inside who can follow me, and this way your followers option will be enabled. Other than that, you can also select who can see your followers on your timeline. So if you turn it into friends, only friends would be able to see who followed you. Or if you select the only me option, no one can be able to see who followed you except you. So let's make it public and that's it. So till now my Facebook followers option is enabled and everyone can see my followers on my profile. So it was so much easy. If you like this video, please like and share it and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this instantly. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.